Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for any outdoor enthusiast or boat owner: the best boat seat repair tape currently on the market. This is your ultimate solution for fixing tears and rips in various materials like boat covers, canvas, tents, and more. Let's explore why this product from Better Boat deserves your attention. Firstly, let's talk about what this repair tape offers. It comes in a generous size, 30 feet by 3 inches, and is crafted from heavy-duty, clear material. This means it not only provides strong adhesion but also blends seamlessly with most surfaces, ensuring a neat repair job without compromising aesthetics. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable solution to repair tears and prolong the life of your outdoor gear, Better Boat's repair tape is a solid choice. Its durability and ease of application make it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and boat owners alike. If you've used this product or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned and stay adventurous.